Alright, so I just wanted to demonstrate how to use Chocolatey, which is a package manager within Windows. It's the first ever version of it, I believe. So a lot still in the works, but this is the free way of doing it, and it'll help you install packages onto your computer, like Visual Studio Code, uh, Python, various different packages that are out there on the community currently. So let's go through the installation, and you are going to need administrative rights and privileges to be able to install this. So let's get started. So first things first, you got to go to the Chocolatey website, which is chocolatey.org. You then go over to Get Started. Within there, you'll see this script. You copy it over to the clipboard. Go into your power for I customize my PowerShell. I know most of you guys have it in blue, but I can probably do a video at a later date on how to customize it. So all you have to do is just enter the script in there. You press enter, and it's installing Chocolatey onto the machine. And once it's installed, it might take a little bit since I've already had it installed on my computer. Don't have to go through that much of a process. So I have it installed, and then let's go take a look at the packages that are available out there. Say I want Google Chrome. I technically always use Firefox, but Google Chrome is something that people can use. So inside of here, all you have to do is do Choco install Google Chrome. Press enter, and it'll go through it, and you just press yes to the scripts. And give it a few seconds for it to install, and looks to be installing currently. Just give it a few more seconds. And there we go. So once it's installed, you can go over to your Windows button, and there it is. There's Google Chrome installed. You can open it up, and you now have Google Chrome installed via Chocolatey. Say I don't want it. Say I want to uninstall it. All I have to do is run Choco uninstall Google Chrome. If I could spell Google Chrome. And then it says uninstalling the following packages. It'll run through its auto uninstaller and go back to my Explorer. I no longer have Google Chrome installed on my computer. So this is the way that like computers that run on Linux typically download. They use the package manager called for Ubuntu it's apt-get. For Arch Linux it's I believe it's Pacman, and for Debian I believe it's Yum. I may be wrong on that last one, but regardless, you can take a look at all the different packages that are available out there. You can install Mozilla, Java. There's various different packages that you can install. Git is one of them, and I'll probably do another video later this week on how to install Git and be able to use it and understand what that is. So if this video was helpful, please give it a like and a thumbs up. Or yeah. And subscribe if you get a chance. Thank you so much.